everyone. I'm going in a certain direction for my channel, and I want you to know, you already know my channel is half about losing weight and half about organization and cleaning and decluttering my home. So I'm going to challenge myself with something because I'm having a hard time because I'm having a sugar problem, and it's hard to kick, and it's not going good, and it's getting worse and worse and worse, and every day it seems like things just getting worse. So I gotta find something so I can fix this problem, because everyone knows when it comes to sugar, it's very hard to stop. Very hard to stop. So this is what I'm going to do, and this is the reason why I want you to come to my channel every day, or when I make a video, so you can see what's going on. I'm challenging myself for every 2 weeks, I'm spending $15 of groceries, and whatever's in my house is what I have to eat. So we're gonna see how that goes and how long before I have to start upping my money to be able to have something to eat in my home. But I need to find a way to stop the binging, to get back on track, fast. And I'm losing the battle right now. I'm losing the battle. I wanted to get down to 189 before Saturday. And it's not going to happen, because this sugar has a hold on me. It has a very tight hold on me that I have to do something to wean myself off of it, and so I can be successful at this weight loss. So I'm going to show you when I go grocery shopping. I'm going to show you what I cook. I'm going to show you what I bought at the store for $15. And see, and it's not just me in here. It's me and my daughter. So we both, because we are both on a weight loss, we going to have to eat whatever's in the home. And that means we have to eat small in respect for this to last and not run out of food. We're going to have to eat smaller portions. And with me, I'm not expecting to eat a lot at all, but I need to do better with my money. I went grocery shopping a week and a half ago, and I spent $100. If you look in my refrigerator, you will say, where is it? I see nothing. What did you buy? I don't know what I bought. So that's my challenge. For me to eat off of $15 every 2 weeks, that's $30 a month of groceries that I'm going to spend for me and my daughter to eat. And see how long it takes before I have to up it to $1, up it to $2 more, up it to $3 more. And it's just see. But for now, next time I'm going grocery shopping will be, I'm trying to think, would it be this Wednesday? No. It probably would be next Wednesday. I gotta see what the date is. I'm going to inform you when next time I'm going to go grocery shopping. But I don't think it's going to be for this week, because I have food in there for now that I can eat off. So most likely I would go back next week. But this week is when I'm going to put the $15 in my jar. And so every time I get paid, I'm going to put $15 in the jar. And that is for grocery shopping. So we'll see how that works. And I'll let you know the update. As far as the house cleaning goes, we're still doing the kitchen. I actually did some work today, but I didn't show it. But I rearranged some certain things in my kitchen because I had to see my food and certain things I need to see because I'm going to have to use those things. Because you know that I'm trying to see how it is to be a minimalist. I want to use everything in my house that I have, so nothing will go to waste. So that's what I'm working on, using things up, and that's where you're going to start seeing my channel going, where I'm going to show you certain things that I have to use up. Even though I may not like the product, it doesn't matter. I bought it, I'm going to use it. And then that's what you'll see. Right now, my weight is at and 204, I think. And tomorrow it will go up because I ate a lot of sugar. So I'm thinking it'll be 205, 206. I'm thinking by tomorrow. But starting tomorrow, I'm hoping to take it easy tomorrow, and then Monday and Tuesday, and then maybe refeed on Wednesday. But feeding on Wednesday, that's my busy day, so it would probably be hard. So I probably won't refeed till Thursday. And I will let you know what my weight is. But I'm not gonna. I know because this sugar, I said, got a hold on me. I'm not going to be able to get to the 189, but if I could get to at least 195, I haven't seen a 195 yet. Excuse me. I haven't seen a 195 yet. If I can see that, I'll be happy. But I gotta get together. I'm spending way too much money on food that is not necessary, that I'm stuffed right now, and I gotta start appreciating the fact that I have food. Food for us is so easy and available that we end up overeating and eating all the time, and whatever we pretty much want we get. So a lot of places in different countries, and even in different states, people don't have it like that. And even though I really don't have it like that, I've been eating like I do, and it's breaking me, and I gotta change. So I would love for you to go on this journey with me as you see how I'm going to live off of $30 a month groceries. So make sure you come back. Also, like I said, we're going to be doing the living room. Right now, I'm working on, I think it's time to do some cleaning in there. I rearranged a lot, and because we're going to be using most of the food in there, I don't really have to worry about throwing anything away. I think I pretty much went through everything, and everything is fine now. Just do some cleaning, and so I'm gonna make some videos about that. I'll give it a couple more days. I'll make some more videos, and then I'm probably gonna move to the living room, and I probably will stay at the living room for about 2 weeks maybe. So we'll see. But like I said, come back, and I have some ideas on the channel. So I want you to see where it goes. And I just want to give you heads up about what's about to happen, so you can know when you tune into my channel. Okay? So thank you very much for coming. Very nice seeing everyone. You know, you can comment and just let me know you here. I've been looking at a lot of your channels, and I'm very proud of what I'm seeing. So keep it up, and I'm going to just fight a little bit harder to get what I want. They said if it's easy, then you're not working hard enough. So I have to work a little bit harder to get what I want, and accept that I gotta go through withdrawals now of the sugar, which is gonna be very hard. But it's okay. It's okay. It's gonna take about 3 days. If you don't touch no sugar, it gets better. So we'll see. But thank you. Thank you for coming, and I'll talk to you soon. I just want to let you know. Okay? Bye.